so tugenda gura.
Tembe jato mujirumbe kandi.
Mwana kyasemera ukazo mukayana higahiga n'umuguru. Webale kero nanye kishani madamu.
Vale, friend. Allora, egi bakusama kweli, watubi. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm Glazio Adventures and today I'm at this eco farm. It's an eco farm, eco resort here in the villages of Kabarole. And guys, so I wanted to relax a little bit after a long day of work, and this is what I found on my way back. And guys, look at who is coming. Look at who is coming. Kush, 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 Kush. Hello, hello, Kush. He didn't even, he just checked on me. Hi, he fears cameras. I came to realize that this guy fears cameras. So if I talk to him without camera, he will come. But every time I touch the camera, he will run away. I just found him here, and guys, let me show you around. So they have cottages, but the cottages are still under renovation. But to tell you, it's a very nice place. So we're gonna have the manager and also get to know the prices and stuff like that. But this is a really perfect place for a vacation, for relaxing. This is what you got. Look at that. Guys, this is the fish we have got. Yeah. We have got some fish. Hi guys, so did you see the bathroom? Did you see it? I'm going for an evening run right now, but we have already checked in. I'm waiting for the photo, and yeah, the bathroom is amazing, spacious and amazing. The room is so spacious, guys, and these are the places I want to take you to. So ecological, so amazing, so lovely. All right, let's go. Let's go. See you after the evening run, and I'm gonna take you around that place. Let him, you leave him. Tell your camera.